Start करो. Somebody else. चलो. Anybody else? Yes. Open. One pump. They start. Okay. Put this one. Put to auto. ठीक है? So deck seal pump is running. O2 analyzer you want it. O2 analyzer. Where is the O2 analyzer? This is the one. On that. Go to the C.
Start?
Yes, of course. Just start. This will start. Keep. Start reading. Then the scrubber pump. Line up the scrubber pump.
Scrubber pump.
Yes. Yeah, see water coming. Then you see the line where it is going. Yeah. Then it's going to the scrubber tower. Okay. Then coming out and then coming out. Then comes out. Then comes. Okay. Then now you can start. Yeah. So, in order to increase the load and all that. Now you see how much is the load there? Is okay? Come normal something? Huh?
We have to increase this one.
120, yeah. So little you can, it's okay, it will hold. Huh? Now this is there, correct now? Now I have a time to explain you, please. The tank you cannot load full because you have to leave the space for the accommodating the expansion, contraction, correct now?
Yes, sir.
So now in the contraction, if it goes in cold season, there will be come under the vacuum. Then the PB breaker, you see, PB breaker and PB valve. They, you know, the pressure vacuum breaker, PB valve in each tank. Yeah, it goes to 8%. Okay. Never mind. Let O2 read. Then let O2 read. Then explaining you know. 10%. 8%, 10%. No, like that. So we don't want air also to enter. So in that case, we top up with the IG. So maintain the tank atmosphere, how many percent? Less than 8. In order to maintain that, how much the IG we sent? Less than 5%. So now less than 5. For doing that less than 5, what we do? I mean, how we do the less than 5?
We can adjust the O2 content.
We can come here. We can see for the boiler combustion. Say this is what the 8-10% came. 8-10% the alarm came. So what we can do, the minimum air required for combustion. What is that air ratio known as? Stoichiometric air ratio. Very good. That is stoichiometric ratio. But when the minimum air you supply, that means because the flue gases have to go out. So in actual running, we make it how much? We supply extra air 20 to 30%. So now you can see here, this is 1.5, this is 1.
Yes, sir.
Now 1 you understand it is stoichiometric. 1.25 you are supplying here. Correct? So what we can do? Reduce the air ratio. Yes. Can you do or not? Yes. We can do in order to reduce the oxygen here. So you reduce. Somebody just bring it, try to set it here.
How much, sir?
1 से जरा सा ऊपर बस छोड़ दो yes छोड़ दो बस उतना ही रुकेगा वो okay it is just considering that it is less more than little 1 so that is 1. Another way to reduce the oxygen is what? Another way to reduce oxygen increase the load on the boiler, meaning that more fuel you burn, you are supplying less air. That means all the air will get consumed. So the O2 percentage in the exhaust will reduce. Everybody understanding or no?
Yes, sir.
So now, in order to increase the load, because we are not running until any machinery. We are not running the cargo pump turbine. Yes. Because that is the way to steam consumption. You increase the steam consumption, meaning is the increasing the load. But the steam consumption we are not increasing. We are not running at the moment. So at the moment, what we can do?
Increase the load.
How we can increase the load? How the manually? Tell na.
Yes, put it manual.
No. Manual is manual. That is auto firing and all. Nothing that. Increase the load. Load is increase the steam consumption. So the steam consumption, how can you increase?
Change the limit.
No. You have to go to your steam system, the dump valve, because dump valve is set as
Open now.
Open.
the dump valve is set at how much?
17. We can reduce.
Yeah, set it at 16.
16, okay.
Set it at
16.
Yes, become 16. Apply.
Yes, sir, new value.
That is apply. Okay, new value. Huh? Okay.
Applied.
What you did cancel or what? You
No,
just
after
check.
apply, I cancel.
Okay. So don't okay, understood. Never mind. So now you see it is set at the 16. So now boiler has fired. Yes. Let us see the boiler fire.
Okay.
So now this burner will continue. It is not going to switch off. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is not going to switch off because it will continue. So this is the way we have increased the
Load.
Okay. Now let's come this side to IG. Now you see here, to the deck it cannot go, to the main system it cannot go until there is a O2 percentage is less than 5. Agreed? So now here is what the IG is coming from the boiler uptake, then it is going to scrubber tower. IG, what kind of IG we must supply to the tank? It must be, because that is very hot, so it must be cool. Otherwise we are supplying the heat in the tank, which we are not supposed to do, correct? So it should be clear. So the first it is meeting with the cold water, the scrubber, then it is meeting with the cold water. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Then it is getting cool. Then later it has to be clean, because the soot, if it goes, then it is going to make a slush. And the soot also contains sulfur, this and that, it is going to cause the corrosion. So it will soot must be removed, that must be washed. So for that, IG is coming here, see here, and then also we need to maintain the water level here, because if we don't maintain the water level, then what is going to happen, that IG will go to the overboard. And we don't want to send that. So IG comes here, it is from the top, it is going, because it cannot push the water. We are maintaining this much water, the head it cannot push. So it is going up, and this is a packed bed from the irregular shape, like triangular or small balls. So the IG passing through that zigzag, touching those objects, and the water is being sprayed there. So it is getting
Clean and clean.
it is washed, scrubbed and cleaned. It's clean. Okay. No, and demister is on top. So because this IG after passing getting clean here, here, and then it passes through the demister. So demister removes the water particle. This becomes a larger drop, and then the drain, and this soot water is discharged to sea. Okay. Now after this, it is the IG is coming here, correct? After the demister, it comes here. Then you can start the fan, correct? So which fan you want to start?
Number 1.
Number 1. So open number 1 valve and just start. That is already open. So start. Huh? So now you will see.
But this P? This one?
That is all control valves, so they are open. So now you see here, it is running the IG fan, and then basically because the O2 percentage, it is discharging to the atmosphere, the funnel, because the percentage is more. You cannot put to the inert gas mode. You cannot change to the, see it's already only on the recirculation. You cannot make it to discharge. And when we want to gas free tank, that mode, then we need to open the air valve for suction, the fresh air intake. Can you see here?
Yes,
Then the uptake valve is not open, the fresh air is taken, is sent here. Okay?
So gas free when inspection time.
Yeah, inspection.
No cargo.
No cargo. But that time you need not the gas spraying, so that you can use fans. Okay. So now you see the pressure here and the percentage of oxygen. Now can you see the oxygen percentage dropping?
Yes.
Now let's start the COP. Come. COP. Number 1, 2 COP. This COP system is the same what is there in the TA. Same these things. So I want you to do it.
Me?
Anybody, yes, you do it.
Fill
So,
first.
yes, all same activities. You just do same activities.
Before that here?
No need, this is a tank, you don't want to discharge the water. Okay, that is for the, when the TA, this thing, steam, that we have to
Drain, okay.
what? Okay, but don't drain the oil here.
Only steam.
Steam. So same this thing. You continue. You do prepare all these things. Line up one pump. You start just in आँख मूंद के चला दो एक को ऑटो में डाल दो. You know, like that. So you are running which COP? That is which number? Number 1 COP. Okay.
It's okay.
Yes, cooler. Yeah, all that. What you did, cooler. Lube oil cooler.
Lube oil cooler. But
No, that is a lube oil, so don't have to top up. It is already there full. So
but lube oil cooler.
yes, water, lube oil cooler, and then what is remaining is the vacuum,
Yes, sir.
creating a vacuum. I mean, in this one with the closed eye, just start everything, without forgetting.
Downside. Auto. Another also. Auto.
Same things are there, no? That what you did there.
Yes.
Any change?
No.
No change. But you did not take the water here. You take some water here.
Yes.
और इसको बंद कर दो अभी, नहीं तो इट विल ओवरफ्लो. Okay?
Overboard valve.
Huh?
Overboard valve. Vacuum condense.
Which valve?
It's already open.
This is already open. Where there is no
already
handle.
open. There is no handle.
There is already open. So now you can close this water. Water is there as long. This is enough. So now you see the vacuum building up or not. Otherwise some mistake. Where is the vacuum gauge for this?
This one, no? This one's pressure.
Yeah, there is a vacuum gauge. Okay, so it's not making vacuum anything. Okay, so let us maybe the steam not coming so far. So let's open the first is steam line. Chalo, where is the steam line? The steam system. Go to the steam system.
Yes, here.
Yes, just go to the steam system. See from where the COP turbine is coming. So COP steam is coming. So that means here it is okay. When there is no valve. So go back to COP. Here there is no valve, no? There is no handle. Valve is there but no handle.
Yes.
So now COP. So now this is the valve for coming from auxiliary boiler. So open that and open this drain valve for a while. Close.
Close.
Yeah, you must close. So the steam.
It's already closed.
No, it's enough. That is okay. That is enough. That is enough. So see the gland steam pressure building up, things coming, you have already drained. So now you see the vacuum building up or not. Checking there here. You wait and see. By own something which is not done, the result will be there to understand. Yes or no?
Yes.
So in this one, because we did not open the steam, so how? Because why the vacuum is not created?
Steam.
The steam not open. But why? What the steam is doing? Because there is a gland steam is not packed. Air can get in from there. Correct? No. So air can get in from there. Understood?
Yes.
So now the gland steam has come up.
So it will create vacuum.
Then it will create a vacuum. So the vacuum is started creating. Because you did not open the steam.
Gland steam, it will expand so that
Gland steam, that is those gland that is packing, no, that means the TA or so, no. The same system is here also. Only the thing is that the diagram you cannot see here. There they have shown the diagram. So because the gland stream 0.2 to 0.3 pressure was not there, so it's not coming. And so because that's why there is no vacuum coming. Now the vacuum has come full. Huh? Okay. Now you can start. Go to the C. Huh? Now C, just low bar pump first thing change to auto. Okay. That was also one mistake. We did it. Huh? We should have put low bar pump auto on first only. Okay. So sorry, I also taking little hurry. So that we close this. Huh? Now the low bar pump we started. That mistake made good. Now go to the C again. Okay, now low valve pump running. Then you put on rolling.
What does it say?
Rolling, because it has to, I told you, no, proper warming up. You cannot use to high speed immediately. Now you see, let's come back to your inert gas. Inert gas, okay. So now inert gas O2 percentage 3 already. This is okay, less than 5. So now you go to the mode, inert gas mode. Everybody is watching, no?
Yes, sir.
So now you can put to discharge and wait here. When you put to discharge, you will see that the valve will open to discharge and this valve will close automatically. So let us put to discharge.
This closed now.
It's changed.
Yes.
Understood? Because if it was more than 5, then it will not allow that to happen. Understood, please, everybody?
Yes,
okay. Now IG is running okay perfectly. Less than 5, gone to the discharge mode, and very important is the pressure. The chief officer or the deck side, the main concern is that because you have to supply the IG in the sufficient quantity, equal to match to their discharge rate. Otherwise, tank will go in the vacuum, no? Because when the cargo is going out, then that empty space which is replaced by what? IG. So that IG, if IG is not enough pressure, not volume enough, then, and that's why the IG fan capacity is how many time?
125.
1.25 time, or you can say 125%. Yes, extra.
What is the unit milli?
No, this is a pressure.
of water.
Mm of water. This is a water head. Now, like 1 bar pressure to give, how many meter? 10 meter. Very correct answer. 10 point something it is. So that is 1 bar pressure. So it is measuring in terms of head, water column. So that is what is the pressure here. Now 10 meter is 1 bar. So you can calculate how many mm of water is how much pressure. That you can
100,
know.
100.
1.40.
1 point. No.
1.
It will be because 10 by 5.
99.9.
Okay, that calculation we can do that. Now see, IG is running okay, deck seal pump is running okay, scrubber, everything is okay. Change to the discharge mode. We come back to the COPT, the rolling. COPT was we put to the rolling. So how many RPM? Go to the control, see.
RPM here 0.
Yeah, it will run at the RPM indication. Where is it there? No, maybe let's see.
It's not in rolling.
It is not showing actually at the moment because sometimes it doesn't show.
Rolling stopped automatically.
No.
Can I start?
Huh?
Oh, it stopped now.
You click on. Hold on.
No. Okay. Now speed controller. Maybe the cycle is completed. It's saying ready. Can you say?
Yeah, it's ready.
It's ready. It is already completed.
Okay.
So now increase the speed from here.
This is pressure, right?
Speed controller. Yes, like this. Okay, increase. So you see RPM started coming up. Now you put it to say 2 over 2. Okay. So see how many RPM it comes. First wave. How many RPM it is coming. So with this, whatever the deck side is asking that how much RPM we want, accordingly we have to give them RPM. Okay? So see how many RPM. हेलो हाँ बोलिए